Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Photoshop tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a professional Soda Can Mockup. This is perfect for branding, product design or showcasing your artwork in a realistic way. So let's jump right in. At first, we select Quick Selection tool and select Subject option. Now you can see our subject is selected. Then we press Ctrl J from keyboard. Look, our object copy in a new layer. Then we select pen tool and press Ctrl plus button for zoom the canvas and drag down the canvas and select the lead portion. Select add anchor point tool for the curve area and add a point here and drag down. Then right click here and select the make selection option. Press OK. Select the layer 1 and press Ctrl J. You can see our lead part is selected and copy in a new layer. Now we zoom out the canvas, then press Ctrl and minus button from keyboard. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object. Reduce the Smart Object opacity. Then press Ctrl T from keyboard for transform option. Then right click on it and select wrap option. Go to custom wrap and select the arch wrap and drag down. Again press Ctrl T and drag down more area, so this look right. Then press right option, select the smart object and increase the opacity 100%. Then hold Ctrl button from keyboard and click here. Hold Ctrl button from keyboard and click here. Then select the smart object layer and click on mask option. This is the lead portion. Change the layer name. Drag the lead layer Then double click on smart object or open the smart object in a new tab. Then you can put your design here and press Ctrl S for update the smart object. So let's start design the smart object. Draw a rectangle here. Change the rectangle color. Add some gradient color here. Then go to FX option and select gradient overlay. Change the style radial to liner. Then press OK. Now add some text here. Select the text tool. Add text as you want. Now our design is ready. Then we go to File and click on Save option. You can see our design here updated. We copy 3 times the body layer, press Ctrl J and drag the 3 layers top of the smart object and change the layer name light, midtone and shadow. Turn off the light and midtone layer, select the shadow layer and change layer mode normal to multiply. Then turn on the midtone layer and change layer mode normal to linear dodge add. Then press Ctrl L from keyboard and change the levels option. Then we turn on the light layer and change layer mode normal to screen and again press Ctrl L from keyboard. You can see we adjust the levels. Look, our mockup is ready. You can change the background color easily. Select the background layer and create a solid color layer from here and choose any color as you want. Then press OK and simply change the layer mode normal to linear one. You can change any color as you want. That's all for today's Soda Can Mockup tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.